Hello friends, welcome to Easy Academy. Today we will learn what is arithmetic progression in a very simple and easy way. So let's start. Before we start with arithmetic progression, there are many concepts to understand. First of all, as all of you noticed, many different flowers and petals are arranged in a specific pattern such as petals of sunflower and many like pineapple leaves, Christmas tree, all are having some patterns, so that's why they look very beautiful. In the same manner, in our mathematics also we notice when the numbers are arranged in a specific order, then it is called a sequence. So how can we define sequence? We can define like a sequence is a collection of numbers arranged in a definite order according to some definite rule. In each number in sequence is called term of the sequence. The number in the first position is called first term and it is denoted by T1. In the same manner, second position number is called second term and it is denoted by T2. And if we have to find number of terms, then there is a specific formula we can use as follows. Suppose you have to find nth term, then that term is denoted by Tn. You can see following examples to understand what exactly sequence is. In first example 1, 5, 9, 13, here T1 is 1, T2 5 and T3 is 9 and so on. In the same manner you can see the following examples. Now how can we find the sum of the sequence? Now we will learn how to find sum of the first n terms of the sequence. Suppose Tn is a sequence. Tn is a sequence, then we denote the sum of the first n numbers, first n terms of this sequence by Sn is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus till the term ends. Thus from above we can write S1 is equal to T1. For first, suppose you have only one term, then you have to take first term. If you have two terms like T1 and T2, then you have to add both the terms. In the same manner, if you have T3, you have to add T1 plus T2 plus T3. In the same manner, if you have given n terms, then what you will do? So we are going to find a formula. For that, we need to sum up all the terms. Till Tn. From above equation we can also write we can see that that S1 is equal to T1. S2 minus S1 is equal to T2. S3 minus S2 is equal to T3. Therefore, by solving these, we get a standard formula is equal to Tn. Therefore, if we have to find sum of the terms, then we can write this way: Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. This is what the equation. Now we will learn how to find the terms if you have given an equation. Here we have given an equation. This is an equation. We have to just put the terms you want. Just like if you want to find first number, then you have to put n is equal to 1. Like here Tn is given, formula is given, means equation is given. You just have to find 4 first terms to make the sequence. For n is equal to first term, what we have to do, just put in the above equation for n. Here n is equal to 1, so T1 is equal to 3. In the place of n we have to put 1. 3 into 1 plus 1, which is equal to 4. In the same manner for 2, T2 is equal to 3 into 2 plus 1 equal to 7. In the same manner for n is equal to 3 and n is equal to 4, we have to find T3 is equal to 3 into 3 plus 1, which is equal to 10. And for T4 we have to find 3 into 4 plus 1, which is equal to 13. See, it is very easy. Just you have to put n is equal to whichever you want. For if you want 10th term, then just you have to put n is equal to 10 in the above expression. Now we will see an example based on sum of the terms, how we can find the terms if Sn is given in example. So we know that Sn is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 till Tn terms. So here what is given? Sn is given is n upon n plus 1. Here we have to find first 3 terms of the given sequence. For that we have given an equation, just we have to put numbers. For 3 terms we have to find first 3 terms. So for first sum we need to put n is equal to 1. So 1 upon 1 plus 1, which is equal to 1 by 2, which is our first term. In the same manner for second term we need to put 2 is equal to 2 by 3. This is our second term. For third, S3 is equal to 3 upon 3 plus 1, which is equal to 3 by 4. We have found 3 terms. See, we cannot find directly these terms because we have given summations. So these are not our terms. Okay, for finding the terms we have found formula, which is Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1, this wala which we have studied before. So for T2 we need to put S2 minus S1, that is what we have, S2 S2 is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 6. This is our T2 term. T2. These are wrong methods. We cannot find directly. Therefore, we have to use this formula. Are you getting? Now for T3, we can find S3 minus S2. So what is our S3? It is 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. So by making the cross multiplication, you can solve this and we'll get is equal to 1 by 12, which is our third term. So this is how you can solve if you have to find 10th term. In the same manner, you have to find S4, S5, S6 till S10. Then only you can find T10th term. Okay.